With electric SUVs becoming increasingly indistinguishable from one another in an ocean of curvy, space-age designs, the Fang Cheng Bao Tai 3 emerges with a boldly unapologetic and boxy shape. Positioned as the launch model for BYD's new Tai lineup under its sub-brand Fang Cheng Bao, the Tai 3 emerges with the aim to challenge conventional electric SUV expectations. Designed for younger, dynamic drivers who demand more than handsome styling, this urban SUV brings concept-like design to the driving world, transferring presence, personality, and practicality in equal measure. The moment it comes into view on the city horizon, the Tai 3 challenges convention. With its sharp proportions and authoritative stance, it stands apart on urban boulevards, where swooping lines and coupe-like roofs are de rigueur. The styling does not merely imply off-road capability, it proclaims it. Flared fender sills, upright body panels, and a high front fascia give the vehicle a visual heft that communicates utility and confidence. Vertical LED tail lamps and a horizontal rear gate enhance its utilitarian appearance, and the drone module option throws in a surprising round of high-tech flair, integrated through a roof hatch that curves in concordance with the shape of the vehicle. Based on a footprint dimension of 4,605 mm in length and 1,900 mm in width, Tai 3 occupies the razor-sharp middle ground between being a small crossover and an outright off-roader. Its height, which is over 1,930 mm with the drone kit, contributes to its imperious presence on the road. Essentially, however, this EV is meant for daily driving, with thoughtful touches that suit a variety of lifestyles, single commuters to small families. Ride height is lofty, and black plastic cladding over the wheel wells and roof rails suggest readiness for off-road capability and outdoor adventures. Pricing starts at 133,800 yuan, approximately 18,600 USD, and reaches up to 193,800 yuan, approximately 26,900 USD, with rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive on both ends of 5 trims. This way of pricing ensures affordability with substantial variations in features and equipment. The early success of the Tai 3 is indicated through its market reception, with BYD's Fang Cheng Bao already quoting deliveries to 10,000 units, a healthy beginning for a new nameplate in a fast-expanding EV market. Get inside, and the interior continues where the exterior left off, but with greater technological sophistication. The interior is built on an ethos of usability, with traditional controls augmented by modern touch-based features. A huge 15.6-inch touchscreen occupies the center stack on most trims, with lesser trims receiving a still large 12.8-inch display. It is based on BYD's D-Link 100 system and encompasses voice command function, navigation, and over-the-air updates. To accompany this is an 8.8-inch digital instrument cluster on all trims, while the higher-end models get an additional 12-inch head-up display to make driving more convenient. The seats and interior comforts are well-balanced and well-planned. There are power adjustments, heating, and ventilation on the front seats, something one would normally find in higher-end cars. The passengers in the rear are not ignored either, with adjustable backrests and a center armrest. A 50-watt wireless charging pad and a temperature-adjustable storage bin in the center console resonate with day-to-day practicality. Storage is also progressive. A 151-liter front trunk compartment and a 28-liter rear exterior storage space add to the flexibility for those with gear or shopping bags. The interior materials serve the durability theme without dipping into utilitarian minimalism. Contrary to trying to make a play for plush or luxurious finishes, the cabin resolves on durable, long-lasting textures that can take the rigors of daily use. The design language avoids flash, opting instead to become straightforward in its approach with muted accents which catch echoes from the exterior's angular personality in small measures. Such choices result in a cabin that is honest and utilitarian, yet still prepared for daily driving and weekend adventures. On the road, the Tai 3 impresses with its refined city drive. Its vertical stance and high suspension might predispose one to a rough, truck-like ride, but the suspension configuration tells a different story. Ride quality is firm over rough city streets, speed bumps, and cracked pavement. Steering is light and precise, with smooth ease of direction in tight parking lots and heavy traffic. Despite a near 2,000-kilogram weight, the vehicle is agile and responsive with well-balanced chassis dynamics. As the pavement degrades to gravel or rough roads, the Tai 3 doesn't miss a beat. Its intelligent all-terrain system automatically adjusts to conditions, providing optimum traction without driver input. The system is particularly impressive negotiating loose ground or uneven terrain, where it hugs traction with ease. Not an off-road hard case, certainly, but its technology and ground clearance provide stable, light-duty forays with certainty, opening up travel possibilities that most electric SUVs would shun. A second area where the Tai 3 excels is in its management of regenerative braking. Normally a polarizing factor in EVs, here it is tuned for smooth and natural deceleration, notably helpful in stop-and-go traffic conditions. Energy recovery is naturally part of the driving experience with very little in the way of constant pedal tweaks. Charging performance is also enhanced in the user experience, such as fast charging capability that refills the battery from 30% to 80% in just 18 minutes, ideal for those with hectic, unpredictable lives. Technology throughout the Tai 3 is relevant but restrained. It avoids feature creep to give room for practical applications that enhance the spirit of driving. Solutions to infotainment such as voice commands, software upgradability, and integrated navigation are all conceived with simplicity. Even the more extravagant features, including the drone module, are presented more like serious additions rather than marketing stunts, adding value without sacrifice. The Fang Cheng Bao Tai 3 will not be held back by the script that most sub-electric SUVs are stuck on. It doesn't chase premium luxury or try to mirror the ruggedness of old off-road icons. Instead, it makes its own way, tough to look at, practical to use, and just plain weird in a sea of similarly proportioned choices. Whether it's the cubic styling, the technologically advanced but practical interior, or the combination of city convenience with modest off-road ability, the Tai 3 succeeds in bringing something very unique. Designed for individuals who desire something other than the normal norm of form and function, this vehicle deviates from the typical standard of its category. It's for individuals who might spend their week driving in traffic during a daily commute, but crave release from the pavement on the weekends. It's the odd kind of car that doesn't just fill a category. It redefines the parameters for what the category can be. In a world charging rapidly toward clean-lined homogeny, the Fang Cheng Bao Tai 3 stands out not just for how it looks, but for what it represents. An urban EV with a rebel attitude, pragmatic capability, and looks that defy mainstream standards. In merging city functionality and off-road capability, it qualifies as one of the most unconventional electric SUVs on the market today.